Welcome, I'm an ASUS ROG Phone 2, and today I'll show you how to put the device into safe mode. So to get started, hold the power key, and when you see the boot options, you want to hold power off. This will bring up the reboot to safe mode window, and from here confirm it by tapping on OK, and wait for the device to power back on. And as you can see now, the device is in safe mode, as it is visible by the watermark right here. And in this mode only the essential apps are working. Everything that would be normally working in the background is completely disabled now. As you can see by the weather not really loading. Oh, never mind, it actually did load, so apparently they included this one. So this mode is usually used for testing if, for instance, something is causing your device to malfunction. If you can't really turn it on, you could try always booting your device into safe mode, and hopefully this will help. Now, if your device isn't working properly in safe mode, then usually it means that something is wrong with your hardware rather than the software. But once you're done with the safe mode, if you want to leave it, all you need to do is hold the power key and select restart. And once it boots back up, it will be back in the normal mode. And there we go. So that is how you would boot your device in and out of safe mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.